Hey guys, it's Matt. So just 1 month ago, I decided to start investing in the Philippine stock market. In this video, I'm going to be discussing my top 3 lessons that I've learned along the way. Mind you, I don't have any mentors, so I was bound to fail. But I also prefer to learn things myself. Plus, I'm also doing this so that you don't have to. So if you wouldn't mind, for those very supportive 3 viewers out there, if you would just smash the like button, it will definitely help this video out. And last, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take all of my word as legal advice. So enough of the chit chat, let's start. So, I don't know if this rule is already a principle among traders, but as you may know, brokerages have fees. And fees, believe it or not, have a very significant influence on your trade. Let me just give you an example. So, when I was just starting out, I just wanted to test out the water, so what I did was cash in 1.5k of my money on an account. Now I'm using Call Financial, and Call Financial's fees would put you at around 0.295%. Very low. However, there is a single catch. The minimum fee is 20 pesos. And what is 0.295% of 1,460? Side note, it's 1,460, not 1,500, because you're gonna have to allot some of your money for fees. Now, don't worry, I got you. It's 4.307. It's below the minimum fee, meaning instead of me getting a 4 peso fee, I was charged 20 pesos for that single trade. Now, here's where it all matters. Let's make a quick comparison of a 4 peso fee and a 20 peso fee. On a 1,460 peso trade, and say you want to buy 10 shares of a company. 1,464 pesos divided by 10 is 146.4 pesos per stock. And 1,480 divided by 10 is 148 pesos per stock. That's almost a 2 peso difference. Now, I've already done the computation. It's 0.295% of 8,000 pesos would put you around the ballpark of 20 pesos and change. Meaning, you're going to get a closer price to the price you want. So, fees matter. And if you're going to trade, make sure to make it a minimum of 8,000 pesos to make the most of it. Moving on, what I did when I was starting out was go straight right ahead and invest with real money. That's a mistake on my part. I really recommend that you go to Investagrams first and trade with virtual money before hopping in the real stock market. From what I know, Investagrams is the only company that's doing this. They have a bunch of indicators and tools to help you. And plus, this is a major plus, they provide real-time quotes for free. If you're not familiar with what real-time quotes are, it's basically stock prices. And it's just so unfortunate that in Call Financial, you're gonna have to be a Call Plus member, and that's a minimum 25k cash in on that account. So if you're planning to trade and you want to trade below 25,000 pesos, here's what I suggest that you should do. Use Investagrams with their built-in tools and indicators to do your analysis and research, and then use your brokerage to put your orders. I really wish that I knew this when I was just starting out. And the last lesson that I've learned is do cost averaging. I think I was right from the very beginning. Don't put all of your investment money on just a single trade. Divide it by weeks or months. Don't try to catch the bottom of the market, because the market is always changing, and you're probably gonna lose if you try to do so. Let me just give you another example. When I made my other video, I bought some JFC shares at 142 pesos per share. And the next week, it went down to 139 pesos, so I bought more. And then the next month, it went down again to 134 pesos, and I bought even more. If I single-handedly used all of my 100k investing money at the price of 142 pesos, I would have missed a ton of opportunities right now. Over time, the price would average out, and you're not going to be worried that you weren't able to buy the dip this week or the next week or the next month, right? So I highly suggest that you do cost averaging. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you're updated every time I post a video. And for that single viewer who's always watching until the end of this video, thank you. Thank you. Add me on Instagram at MattDoesn'tStop. I always post there. And as always, let's grow that bank account. I'll see you soon.